In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add target accounts in Hubspot. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and going to the main navigation. From there, open CRM and then click on Companies. This takes you to the Companies area, where Hubspot keeps your organization list and company records. If you are working with account-based marketing or you simply want to prioritize certain companies, target accounts help you keep those key companies grouped and easy to track. Once you are on the company's page, look to the top left for the option labeled Target Accounts and click it. This switches your view from the full company database to the section where Hubspot manages your target account list. Next, click the button that says Add Target Accounts or Companies. This is where you choose which companies you want to mark as targets, or where you can create brand new company records if they are not in your portal yet. Take a moment here to be sure you are in the right area, because adding a company as a target account is meant for companies you want your team to focus on, such as high-value prospects or strategic customers. Now, you will have a few ways to add companies. You can select existing companies from the list if they are already in your CRM. If the company is not there, you can create a new one. You may also see an option to import accounts or companies, which is useful when you have a larger list to bring in at once. If you are only adding one or two companies, selecting from the list or creating a new record is usually the fastest route. If you choose to create a new company, fill out the key details carefully. Enter the company name, assign an owner so it is clear who is responsible for follow-up, choose the industry for better reporting and filtering later, and set the company type based on how your team categorizes accounts. Try to keep these fields consistent with your existing CRM standards, because consistency makes it much easier to segment lists and run clean reports. When everything looks correct, click Create. The company will be saved and added as a target account, ready for your team to track and prioritize. That covers everything you need to know.